Morning, everyone. Happy April 2nd. Very short talk today. I hope everybody is doing well. Activity for today is the Civil Rights Movement. Again, this isn't on the test, but we need to look at this in comparison to some of the things that we already talked about, certainly abolition, and then the events of Reconstruction and the New South, the philosophy of Booker T. Washington, W.E.B. Du Bois, and Marcus Garvey, and there's some comparison there. So again, put this into context. So what I'm asking you to do today is, there's no written component. There's nothing that you have to submit to me. I just have a series of clips here, links to clips that tell part of the story, as I say. So it's probably a half hour-ish, maybe a little bit more. They're all pretty short. I think they're all under 10 minutes. So you can, these first three, you log on through Safari, which we've done, and your login is simply your regular password into the Novell system. These other ones are from a series called NBC Learn. I've showed you that a couple times. In Schoology, there is a sheet to show you how to get access to that. So that should be pretty simple. And then lastly, there's a clip from YouTube on one of the speeches of Robert Kennedy, which was a fascinating event. It took place the night of the assassination of Martin Luther King, and there were just a couple cities that didn't have massive riots, and one of them was where Robert Kennedy spoke. And so it's rather a remarkable off-the-cuff speech that you don't usually hear politicians make today, of any party. It doesn't really matter. So I think it's just an interesting speech that you should take a look at. Again, it's like 5-6 minutes. So that's all for today. Again, civil rights. There is a AP announcement from the head of the College Board, Trevor Packer, tonight. I think it's at 6 or 7 o'clock. I'll be watching. The announcement's supposed to come out tomorrow, so I'll probably be discussing that with you a little bit later tomorrow. Please check Schoology. You have a couple things due tomorrow. One is your chapter summary, which is to be shared with me, and then the other one is the response to the Red Scare, a couple paragraphs, and that's to turn it in tomorrow. So there's nothing here that you have to check in with. I'm just assuming that you're doing it. Hopefully, remember yesterday there was a bunch of clips on the Kennedy assassination. If you're interested in that, those are well worth your time. So have a good day, and you'll hear from me again tomorrow.